Everyone, and welcome to the channel. Thank you for watching the video. Today we're going to be looking at a simple device that can help you get in and out of your car if for some reason you're having trouble doing that. This is called the Handy Bar. We're going to go ahead and take it out of the box here for the first time. I've never used it or even seen one of these, so we'll experience that together. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so here we have the Handy Bar. I guess the brand is Standard, got a trademark on it. We'll go over those instructions later, but features and benefits: auto safety handle with universal fit, no slip, ergonomic grip, includes window breaker and seat belt cutter. Weight capacity for this would be 350 pounds. Nice. I'm guessing like maybe 14 ounces maybe. Yeah, it's pretty ergonomic, I think. What else do we have? I guess that's all. Yeah, that is all we have, and instructions are on the box. So locate the U-shaped striker on the vehicle door frame. Insert handy bar firmly into the striker. Use the handy bar handle as support. Okay, so I guess self-explanatory about breaking a window. You would use this right here for that. What else did it say? Yes, also right in here you have a seatbelt cutter, so you have a small blade that looks kind of like a box cutter blade for that. Interesting. So let's try it out for the main purpose, and that is for assistance getting out of the door. So here's the striker. So you can see this has notches in it. Just take it, put it right in there like that, and you know, put a lot of weight on that. I think it said 350 pounds was the maximum. So what I'm thinking is I would have it here on the side of the door to begin with. So if you have trouble getting in the door, you get it, put it in, and then just put it back. Pretty simple. Now you can also put it in the glove compartment or your console, wherever is easiest to use. I know for me personally, when I start taking a long distance trip now, my knees will get stiff, especially my left one. And so the first step is kind of difficult. So I can definitely use this personally. Let's say we've got it already in here. We want to get out. Put it in our striker. You can use two hands or one hand. I'm using my left hand now. I am right-handed, so this would be easier. But still it's not bad. Taking that first step out of the car. Another scenario might be you're a passenger in a car and you just got back from eating a big dinner buffet and you're in a lowrider car, and so you're going to need some assistance maybe, or it's going to be helpful anyway to use the handy bar. So you grab the handy bar wherever it may be, ask the driver to give it to you, and put it in your striker. And I am right-handed, so I would just see how low it is. Oh, it's going to be hard to make that. Pull your body up. Now with the seatbelt cutter, yeah, it's a good idea, but I don't know if the blade itself would, how it's going to work. It seems to me like if it was maybe like a little saw there, that might be better, because you know, I just don't know how you would do that. Yeah, I just don't know how you would make that cut without some kind of continuous movement. And so yeah, I don't know how well that would work. As far as using it to break your way out of the side window maybe, this is about like a hammer, and it would be effective, because see how it's pointed there unlike a hammer, so all that energy is going to come right to that point. And that is some pretty hard. It's obviously some kind of pot metal, but it is heavy enough to easily break. I would think it would be pretty easy to bust that side window, you know, especially on the other side. But yeah, maybe we can find something to try out. So here we are with an old piece of toilet. We've got like 1/4 inch thickness. It's going to be really easy to do, I can tell. I've got my safety glasses on for this. But yeah, it's just really simple. So I'm not even gonna, I'm just gonna like tap it, let you see how easy it would be. Okay, so it's not that easy. We're gonna do it a little bit harder here. Look at that. Now it didn't break in the, let's try to get it to break right here. There we go. So yeah, that works. So here's a real test. How about a brick? Okay, so kind of get the point. There we go. Broke the brick. Yeah, this could actually almost be used as a defense tool as well. So I guess that will be it for the video. Handy bar. A little hole here if you wanted to hang it up somewhere. But as far as putting it in your car, yeah, I'm going to just put it over here like that. So thanks for watching. There it is, handy bar. Till next time, have a nice day and take care.